Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For the new subscribers, thank you for subscribing to my channel, and for the returning subscribers, thank you for always being there, liking, commenting, sharing, watching my videos, and always returning back. I'm so grateful for that. Guys, today I'll take you through how to transfer your world coins from your world coin app to Binance, verified Binance account. So guys, if you don't have a verified Binance account, please visit my previous video on how to create a verified Binance account, and it will be of help. So guys, without wasting time, let's get into the video. So guys, before anything, you'll have to have the Binance app, a verified Binance account. So you'll have to have that app. I have it already. If you don't have, please visit my previous video, it will be of help. So we'll go to the Binance app and open it. After opening the app, you'll click on the word deposit and click deposit crypto. Worldcoin is crypto. Then choose the crypto itself, it's Worldcoin. Worldcoin is abbreviated as WLD. This WLD, and click search. Then we'll click optimism. We'll use optimism. Choose network. I'll choose optimism. After choosing optimism, you'll just agree on everything and copy this deposit address. Copy the deposit address. This is the most important part. Copy the deposit address. Copy. Then you can copy as many times as you want. Then go back to Worldcoin. The Worldcoin app. Open the Worldcoin app. Click on Worldcoin. Click send. Maybe later. You paste here the address. Just long press and paste. And relax. Wait for the address to be shown. Wallet address. Then yes. Click it, confirm, then I'll advise you type in all the money that is being shown. You type it all, 0.0, not 6.06, and next. Hold to send. Just hold this part for a very long time. It's processing. Then back to wallet and refresh. Back to wallet and refresh. Voila! They are deposited on your Binance account. So guys, thank you for staying till this far, and remember to subscribe, like, share, and comment. On my next upload, I'll show you guys how to convert the coins, the world coins, into money, and how to transfer them from the Binance app to your M-Pesa. So please stay tuned, and bye till we meet next time on my next upload.